Morning, guys. I hope you had a nice weekend. For this class, we're going to check the adverbs of degree, right? This is to exaggerate something, right? Like I can say, like with the kitten, right? The kitten is very clumsy, right? Or the big cat is extremely annoying. Okay, let's look at the adverbs of degree, right? So I use this to answer how much, right? Or to what extent. They are usually before the adjective, okay? So look, the party next door was too loud. It was loud. How loud? Too loud. Right? Then I saw an extremely big dog. How big? Extremely. Right? So, some adverbs of degree ends in ly, while some adverbs are written in a different way. So I have perfectly, quite, that means a little, totally, right? To, incredibly, very, and so. Those are my adverbs of degree. Right? So let's look at some examples. Right? The kitten is perfectly comfortable. How comfortable? Perfectly. The big cat is totally annoyed. How annoyed? Totally. Annoyed means like angry. Right? So, now that you've checked that, let's work on the exercises. Right? Here, I want you to circle the adverbs of degree that you find. So you read. I'm writing to let you know that our family picnic this weekend was really great. How great? Really. So really is an adverb of degree. Remember the cue. Look for the adjective, and if it has a word like perfectly, quite, totally, too, incredibly, very, or so, then that's the adverb of degree. Okay? So read and circle the adverbs of degree. 8. And once you do this exercise, 8, on page 375, you go to exercise B on page 375 too, and you're going to rewrite the sentences and add an adverb of degree before the adjective. So look, the music's volume was quiet. Quiet is the adjective. So I have to add an adverb before quiet, right? You can use incredibly quiet or very quiet or perfectly quiet, any adverb you want. Like the music volume was extremely quiet. Okay, so read and choose one for each. When you finish exercise B, you go to page 376 for exercise C. I want you to look at the picture and write a sentence for each one using adverbs of degree and an adjective. So, for example, the flowers. You can choose that the flowers are pretty. I'm going to add an adverb, and I can say the flowers are incredibly pretty. The flowers are incredibly colorful. The flowers are very nice. Okay? Look and you choose. So you have the flowers. You have a lady that can be crazy or can be angry the way you see it. Okay? Or can be loud as you wish. Right? Then you have a room. The room can be messy. That means in disorder, right? It can be messy, or you can decide that it's dirty if you want to, right? Okay, and then you have a man that can be happy or funny. And then you have the tire that is flat, right? Flat. That's when I know that in Spanish you say it in a different way, but in English that's a flat tire, right? So make your sentences, okay? And once you finish your exercises, you can check, right? Remember that on exercise B and C, they are possible answers. So you can just check that you have the right structure, right? Like on exercise B, the music's volume was too quiet. I didn't put too, I put extremely. It's okay as long as extremely is in the same place as the too. Okay? Follow the structures. On exercise B, the same thing. I didn't say that the flowers were colorful or they were different. Just check that you have the same structure in your sentences. Okay? Easy cheesy, Japanesey. And remember to send your work to Studium to Adverbs of Degree. Okay? And I hope you enjoy the class and see you next time. Bye.